In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files from iCloud Drive. If you've accidentally deleted something important, don't panic. iCloud keeps your files for a limited time, and there are two places on the iCloud website where you can bring them back. First, let's use iCloud Drive's built-in Recently Deleted area. Open a web browser and go to iCloud.com, then sign in. From the home screen, click the Drive icon to open iCloud Drive. On the left sidebar, look for Recently Deleted. This is where iCloud stores items you've removed for up to 30 days. Open it, scroll through the list, and select the file or files you want to restore. You can usually select multiple items if you hold Shift or Command on your keyboard. When you're ready, click Recover. iCloud will return those items to their original folders inside iCloud Drive, so check back in the location they came from. If you have a lot of files, try sorting by date or name to spot what you need faster, and remember that previews aren't always available for every file type on the web. If you don't see the file in Recently Deleted, there's a second place to check on the iCloud website. From any iCloud.com page, click your account name in the top right corner and open iCloud Settings. Find Data Recovery, then choose Restore Files. This section can surface items that no longer appear in the Drive view, and it's especially helpful if something was removed from a shared folder or moved around. Browse the list, select the files you want, and click Restore. Just like before, they'll go back to their original locations in iCloud Drive, and you'll see a confirmation when the restore completes. A quick but crucial reminder: files are only recoverable for 30 days after deletion. Once that window passes, iCloud permanently deletes them, and they can't be brought back through these tools. To avoid surprises, try to start your recovery as soon as you realize something is missing, and double-check that you're signed into the correct Apple ID if a file doesn't appear where you expect it. It also helps to keep a clear folder structure so restored files are easy to find when they return to their original spots. That's it. Use Recently Deleted in iCloud Drive first, then Data Recovery in iCloud Settings if needed, and keep the 30-day limit in mind. Follow these steps promptly, and you'll maximize your chances of getting your files back.